Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with compatibility and power. That saves time. Confirm your Surface Pro model supports the Surface Pen, then insert or replace the AA battery and watch for the pairing LED. Next, open Settings, choose Bluetooth and Devices, and turn Bluetooth on. This is how devices discover each other. Once done, press and hold the top button on the pen for 7 seconds to enter pairing. You're now ready for the Surface to detect the pen. Once the pen is discoverable, choose Add Device and select Bluetooth, pick Surface Pen from the list. You'll hear a sound confirming connection. If nothing appears, close and reopen Settings to refresh. After pairing, make sure Windows Update has installed any Surface firmware. The Surface app may offer extra settings. Then, configure pen behavior. Open Pen and Windows Ink to set button actions, pressure sensitivity, and handwriting options, so the pen responds the way you expect during drawing or note-taking. Finish by testing the pen in OneNote or Whiteboard. Draw, erase, and click the side buttons to confirm mappings. If performance is laggy or features fail, repair the pen first, remove it from Bluetooth and pair again. Make sure the battery is fresh, restart your Surface, and install driver or firmware updates. If these steps don't help, run the Surface diagnostic tools or contact support, because persistent failure often indicates a hardware issue that requires repair or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.